CookieCon Electives are small, hands-on, specialty classes focused on a specific technique or skill. Class topics cover a wide variety of interests. Your choice of 2 electives is included with your CookieCon ticket purchase. Expert teachers will be on hand to guide you step by step. We do all the prep. Just show up and practice new techniques in a low-stress environment. Take home new knowledge and skills that you can apply to your own cookie projects.